Hi everyone, today we're showing you how to make pizza flavored paninis. For this recipe you will need 2 medium-sized chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce, 1 tablespoon of diced green pepper, diced onion, diced red peppers, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. For the first step, you're going to want to tenderize the chicken. After that, you can season the chicken to your own liking. Now you can go ahead and oil your pan and cook the chicken. And once it's cooked, you can cut it into tiny strips like so. Now go ahead and put all of your ingredients into a sandwich like so. After this, you can cut your paninis into circles, but this is obviously optional. Now, if you want your sandwiches to taste even better, you can brush them with melted butter. This will also make them more crispier before grilling them. If you don't have a griller, you can go ahead and use a frying pan instead. Now, as you can see, our paninis are done and looking more delicious than ever. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.